Hello guys, welcome back again in today's amazing beautiful video. So guys, today I'm going to tell you step by step with physical demonstration on my blackboard here on how you can actually go inside the honey pot, things that you need to do when it comes to honey pot using your hand. Okay, like I told you, this is a class of what maturity, so you have to follow it to detail. So let's say you now have her, she come over to your apartment, you have her, and it's time for you to do the knacking stage. Okay, so let's say this is the honey pot. I don't know if you can see me. This is what honey pot. This is honey pot. And this is what joystick. This is joystick. Let's say this is hand. Okay, so now by the time you want to go inside the honey pot, let's say your joystick is already awake, okay, trying to do the needful, and this is the honey pot. Let me talk about this place here. Is honey pot button, and this is the entrance. This is the entrance of honey pot. Okay, yeah, all of these places, they are what entrance of the surroundings that surround honey pot. So now before you put the joystick inside there, and that is where all the honey pot end. Okay, this particular spot is where all honey pot end. Now you see this particular place, this place, they are the place that makes it more interesting when it comes to, playing inside the honey pot. Then when you eventually go into this place, that means you are trying to awaken these nuts here. Okay, now what is the best hand that you can use to awaken this sleeping pineapple here? You are going to use this your hand. Okay, so now this is the place you should always put your hand. Okay, your hand should go here. Okay, and then it will not pass here and start here and here. That's where your hand should end in order to awaken this knot, to tell this knot, oh, something is about to happen. So that is where this place, this is where you should do what? You should concentrate. Okay, so this particular place now that your hand is, remember this your hand is the place that will take us what? Cloud 9 before you will now use your honey pot, sorry, your joystick to do what? To come here. When this place open, it will open wide in order to make way for your joystick to do what? To be here. It's very simple. Very, very simple. But before you go in here, before you just go in here, you must be able to do what? Do all of this knocking, is either with the hand or with the head of the joystick, okay, at these places before you will now go straight to this place. I don't know if you're getting me. So now, but before you begin to use your hand to touch on this honey pot side, you must make sure that your joystick stand out very perfectly well. How do I mean by standing out? Your joystick should be able to stand very well, and you should be able to have the capacity to do what? To carry it as longer as you want. You understand? Because with the moment you awaken this sleeping apple here, and trust me, everything around this place will just be what? Vibrating. Vibrating. Okay? Yes, it will be vibrating. And as such, it needs what? Long and strong joystick to be able to quench that, vibration. That is why I keep on telling you guys that whatever that is your health challenge, that might make your joystick to be very weak, such as high BP, diabetes, post-related issue, and so many things. You should try to what to avoid it, and whereby you have health challenge already and you are facing weak what joystick, you can also correct it. Okay, correct it with what? Herbal, safe herbal what products. That is the best way to do that. All right, so that is how you can be able to satisfy or use your hand to satisfy a particular what honey pot without wasting much of your time. All right, but before I go off, some of you don't know that I sell most of these herbal products, safe herbal products that you can use to do what? To correct any health challenge that you're having. Once you have BP, diabetes, post-stress, trust me, your joystick can never be like this. It will be like this. You see what I just drawn now? Meaning that all this health challenge will make it to shrink. And it will not look what? Attractive. All right? But once all of this thing is solved using a natural product, trust me, it will gradually bounce back to this size. That is how it is. So guys, I'm going on. For more information, keep on flowing on. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel, like this video, share, and leave your comment in the comment section. See you on my next video. Until I come your next time on your screen, I still remain your teacher, Adam Secret. Bye.